Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with your phone. First, ensure both your smartwatch and phone are fully charged for a smooth setup procedure. Then, download the specific companion application for your particular smartwatch model from your phone's respective app store. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is actively enabled on your smartphone before you begin the pairing process, as this wireless connection is absolutely essential for device discovery and connection. Once both devices are ready, open your smartwatch's dedicated companion application on your phone. Follow the clear on-screen prompts within the app to initiate the pairing procedure. Your phone will then begin searching for nearby, discoverable Bluetooth devices, so keep them close. This step is crucial for establishing the initial communication between your devices, preparing them for a successful connection. From the list of available devices displayed on your phone, carefully select your specific smartwatch model. A unique pairing code will then appear on both your phone and your smartwatch. It is vital to visually verify that these codes match exactly. Once confirmed, tap Pair or Connect on your phone to finalize this important secure pairing process. This establishes the trusted connection. After a successful connection, allow the companion application to complete any necessary software updates for your new smartwatch. It is important to grant all required permissions, such as access to your location data or notifications, for full functionality. Then, take some time to customize your preferred watch faces and notification settings directly within the app, personalizing your experience from the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.